that is one awesome spinner. Oh my goodness, I love Batman.
Hi guys, welcome to JJs Play World. Today I'm gonna give my toy away.
No, we're not getting a toy away. We won our first giveaway. Aren't you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! We won our first giveaway gift from everyone's toy club. Special shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. And we're about to open our gift. I will leave their link down below so you can go follow our friends at Everyone's Toy Club. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. JJ, wow! What all did you get, buddy?
The fidget spinner.
Oh my God, he's been asking about a spinner for the longest. He's had a couple and they didn't last very long, but this one is amazing, guys. OMG. Ooh, a Batman, JJ. Thank you so much, guys.
That one back.
Thank you. They sent us some extra goodies.
Let's open it.
Oh, and what is it?
It's a blind bag.
A blind bag? Let mommy cut it for you, okay? Let's see.
That's a blind.
Mighty Minis. Ooh.
Wow.
This is awesome, JJ.
Wow, look at this.
What is it, buddy?
It's a bad guys.
OMG. Oh, you got to put them together. Let's put them together.
Here you go, guys.
Oh.
Let's open fidget spinner.
Let's see. Let's see. We put them together, guys. And look what we got here. So sorry, guys. I don't know his name. I haven't watched wrestling since I was a little girl. But I'm sure Daddy knows. He is so cool. And we got to put him together. Ooh. So cool. I love these little tiny blind bags. Okay, let's open your other blind bag. Here. Give me your other blind bag. Oh, yes. Our Fidget Cubes. This is amazing, guys. It feels so good to win something. Okay, you get to open it. What is it, though? Let me see. MadBalls. Whoa!
A squishy ball. Squishy ball. Squishy.
It's a squishy ball?
Yeah.
Wow, these are cool. These are really cool. Let's see which one did we get, though.
Let's open the
Did we get skull face? Let me see it.
I told you. I told you.
I think we cut the top
I
of the
told
bag.
you. I told you.
We got...
I told you.
It's not a charger. That's so funny. It's not a charger, buddy. It's actually a fidget cube.
No, that's this.
So cute. Thank you guys for the extra goodies. We so appreciate you guys. Oh, JJ's so excited. Okay, so he's excited to open the spinner. So let's open this one first.
Those fidget spinners is cool.
They are very cool.
Here.
There you go, buddy. Wow.
Wow, this is.
That is one awesome spinner. Oh my goodness. I love Batman. You love Batman as well, right, JJ?
Wow, spins.
Wow.
Let me see the ball.
Okay, guys. I think we got Screaming. Sorry, cut it. Screaming Mimi? Or meme? Sorry, guys. I don't know. Okay. But he's super cool. I thought it was the rare, ultra rare glow in the dark skull face, but it's not. Okay, so let's open these buddies. So we have
Iron Man.
Iron Man, and who is that?
That's Thor.
So good job. You know these, huh? These are gonna come extra handy for us because these are actually gonna be good for mommy
What's
too.
your favorite? What's your favorite?
My favorite one, can mommy have, which one do you want?
Iron Man.
You want Iron Man? Okay, mommy will play with Thor then. Okay?
Okay. I use Iron Man.
Okay, I have to open them. The little sticker.
Ah.
Okay, mommy's opening these for now. You like your wrestling buddy?
Yeah. The ball is bouncy. Squishy ball.
Squishy ball. Okay, so I finally got these buddies open.
Woo!
Awesome! And these are to fidget with, guys. These are gonna come in handy. These are perfect. See, they have a little switch. And then some little clicks. Rolling ball.
I need a volleyball.
Push buttons, and then you can turn these and switch back and forth. These are so perfect for us. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god, we are so gonna enjoy these. We're gonna take these everywhere. You like it? You know how to mess with it?
No,
Turn the switch on, off. Just turn it. Turn his face.
Give me. I turned the light on.
These are awesome. These will definitely keep me busy.
Turn the light on.
Help me concentrate.
Turn the light on. Give me.
Oh, here. It's just tons of different ways to play with it, to fidget with it. Turn, click, push. Isn't that cool? It's working, guys. It's keeping them entertained. Everyone's Toys Club. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. Whoa. Thank you for watching. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please hit the bell.